Places are not just locations, they are emotions. The gateway of India stands like a silent witness to history. Right beside it, the Taj Hotel adds timeless beauty to the view. I stand here watching people, feeling the sea breeze, and realizing I am really here. As the day moves forward, I reach Marine Drive. The sound of waves, the endless curve of lights, and the open sky, everything feels cinematic. Time slows down here. People sit, talk, relax, and the city finally breathes. As night falls, Mumbai changes again. Lights replace sunlight, but the energy remains the same. This city never sleeps, it only changes its color. And I keep watching, capturing, living every second of it.